Here's what I wish I knew in astronomy class. Those ancient sun gods weren't just stories or relics of superstition. They were, in a way, humanity's first attempt to make sense of the universe, to explain the mysterious force that gave us warmth, light, and life itself. The sun wasn't just a ball of fire in the sky, it was the heart of every civilization's understanding of existence. Instead of dismissing Ra, Surya, or Helios as mere mythological figures, what if we saw them as our first cosmic physicists? These deities weren't just invented for ritual, they were early models, metaphors for the sun's power, its cycles, and its mysteries. They were the language our ancestors used to describe what they observed, but couldn't yet measure. Let's reframe the sun as the bridge between myth and quantum reality. It's not just a symbol, but a living laboratory, a cosmic engine that connects the stories of our ancestors to the equations of modern science. The sun is where the poetry of myth meets the precision of physics. For thousands of years, civilizations worshipped the sun: Ra in Egypt, Surya in India, Amaterasu in Japan, Helios in Greece, Inti in the Andes. Each culture built temples, monuments, and rituals to honor the sun's daily journey, its life-giving energy, and its mysterious cycles of disappearance and return. These weren't just acts of faith, they were acts of observation, of reverence for the patterns that governed life on Earth. Were they just guessing, or did they sense something deeper? Maybe they intuited that the sun was more than a source of light. It was a cosmic engine, a force that shaped time, seasons, and even consciousness itself. Their myths may have been poetic, but they were also profound attempts to grasp the underlying order of the cosmos. Enter the whirlpool theory, a mind-bending idea that all matter, time, and even consciousness erupt from vortices, spiral whirlpools, in space. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean, with currents and eddies swirling everywhere. These spirals aren't just pretty patterns. They're the engines of creation, the blueprints for everything from galaxies to atoms. In this view, the sun is a controlled white hole, the exact opposite of a black hole. While black holes pull everything in, white holes push everything out. The sun then becomes a cosmic fountain, radiating energy, matter, and information into the universe. Instead of sucking in everything, it spirals energy outward, creating light, gravity, time, and life. Every sunrise is a reminder that the sun is constantly pouring out the ingredients for existence, shaping the very fabric of reality with its endless outpouring of energy. Those solar flares and magnetic loops, they're literal vortex whirlpools in action. Each eruption is a dance of magnetic fields and plasma, a visible sign of the sun's dynamic, spiraling nature. These aren't just random bursts. They're the fingerprints of cosmic order, the same spirals that shape galaxies and hurricanes. Ancient myths describe these cycles as gods dying and being reborn, not out of ignorance, but as cosmic metaphors for fusion, balance, and rebirth. The sun's daily disappearance and return mirrored the cycles of life, death, and renewal that our ancestors saw all around them. They understood, in their own way, that the universe is a place of constant transformation. Ra's daily journey, Surya's spectrum chariot, Amaterasu's luminous retreat, all mirror real astrophysical cycles. These stories weren't just entertainment. They were early attempts to map the rhythms of the cosmos, to give meaning to the sun's movements and the cycles of nature. Even the concept of the divine trinity, Father, Mother, Spirit, maps onto sun, field, and light. The sun as the source, the field as the space it fills, and the light as the energy that animates everything. It's a cosmic equation, hidden in plain sight, connecting spirituality and science. So next time you look up, remember, our ancestors weren't just telling stories. They were encoding their observations, their awe, and their understanding of the universe into myths that still resonate today. They were the first to sense the sun's true power, to see it as both a god and a gateway. They were translating the science of the cosmos, one spiral at a time. And maybe, just maybe, those ancient stories hold clues to mysteries we're only beginning to unravel.